Car dusters are like magic wands for car enthusiasts, effortlessly whisking away dust and debris with a few simple swipes. From sleek microfiber designs to innovative electrostatic models, these tools are designed to tackle every nook and cranny of your vehicle's surface without leaving a scratch. In this video, we are going to explore the 5 best options available that will keep your ride looking showroom ready at all times. So, watch the full video and check the video description for more details. Number 1 is Ride King Car Duster. The Ride King Car Duster offers a comprehensive solution to car cleaning, boasting an extended design that ensures no spot is left untouched. With telescoping poles reaching the roof, windshield, hood, and other hard-to-reach areas of large vehicles becomes effortless. Its mop head and mop bar swivel and lock at multiple angles, enhancing cleaning versatility. The paraffin-treated cotton threads effectively remove dust and pollen without water, making it ideal for desert or West Coast living. Crafted with soft, 100% cotton fiber threads, it's gentle on paint, glass, plastic, and metal surfaces, ensuring a scratch-free cleaning experience. The portable storage cover allows for convenient transportation, making it a perfect on-the-go cleaning solution. Number 2 is Bzczh Car Duster Exterior. Featuring large microfiber dusters with a dense and full-fiber brush head, the Bzczh Car Duster Exterior ensures quick and efficient dust collection. Its height-adjustable design allows for customizable cleaning, catering to various heights and hard-to-reach areas. Crafted from high-quality materials, including soft and stain-resistant fibers, it guarantees a scratch-free cleaning experience. With compact bristles and multiple construction, it ensures no missing bristles that could scratch the car's surface. This kit includes extra absorbent, washable, and reusable components, preventing dust buildup and reducing the need for frequent car washes. Number 3 is California Car Duster. The California Car Duster is designed to efficiently remove dust without scratching the car's finish. Its innovative design ensures dust is lifted with a single pass, eliminating the need for spray waxes. Crafted from safe and non-toxic materials, it offers a hassle-free cleaning experience, making it a must-have for car enthusiasts. Number 4 is Wontolf Microfiber Car Duster. The Wontolf Microfiber Car Duster Kit is a comprehensive collection of car cleaning tools, catering to all cleaning needs. With an adjustable telescoping pole and 360-degree rotatable brush head, it ensures easy access to every part of the car. The high-pressure dipping wax keeps the car's paint surface shiny, while the high-density snow velvet brush head offers powerful dust removal and anti-static capabilities. The kit includes 5 different size detailing brushes for versatile cleaning, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Crafted from anti-scratch and lint-free materials, it guarantees a safe and effective cleaning experience for both interior and exterior surfaces. Number 5 is OCM Classic Car Duster. The OCM Classic Car Duster features a large duster head with long and narrow design, allowing access to tight and hard-to-reach areas. Its wax-infused 100% soft cotton threads attract and lift dust from the vehicle's surface, providing a showroom finish every time. The varnished solid wood handle offers durability and comfort during use, ensuring years of trouble-free service. The included durable storage cover protects the duster head threads during storage, maintaining its effectiveness over time.